Hey everybody, today I'm at Empire Guitars, North Main Street, Providence, Rhode Island. Those of you know me, I love guitars. I love it. I'm not the best guitar player in the world. I'm not going to sit and lie to you. But I love guitars. And this is one of the best shops in the business. It is not Guitar Center where somebody punching a time clock just trying to sell you whatever they can sell you. This is a real guitar player a real guitar shop for real guitar players. So let's do a tour of Empire Guitar here on North Main Street in Providence, Rhode Island. This place is cool. It's beautiful. This is a real guitar shop right here. They have got pretty much everything you can imagine, and because it's not all new guitars, it's used guitars that people come in and sell to Empire. There are a lot of great guitars that constantly are changing because people are constantly selling guitars or trading guitars. And this is the kind of guitar shop that I love because you just never know what you're gonna find here. And they just have everything, that you can imagine, from affordable guitars that are $3.99 all the way up to guitars like this Black Beauty right here, Gibson, for $90,000. But they have everything. Strats galore. They've got it all. It is just beautiful. This is the kind of guitar shop you can come in and hang out and, play guitar, try a bunch of guitars. They're not going to pressure you into buying anything, but of course they want, they're a family-owned business and they want to make money, and it is just terrific. They've always treated me extremely well, and it's just spectacular, this shop. Look at this. I love hollow bodies. Beautiful hollow bodies. This is the more expensive acoustic guitars, so you have a lot of older Martins and Taylors and Gibsons and just pretty much anything that you could possibly want. And like I said before, you never know. Look at this beautiful Guild. You never know what you're going to find here. That's the most important thing. You come in and you could find a hidden treasure, and you just never know. Here's your acoustic area. These are the more affordable acoustics, but there's some just beautiful sounding guitars. You got guitars from a couple $100, all the way up to thousands and thousands of dollars. Here's your bass section. You got keyboards, midis, even ukuleles, drum heads, Evans drum heads, just like Kenny Aronoff plays. My good friend Kenny, that's who he's sponsored by. You just have everything. You got tons of effects and floor pedals. It's just a beautiful, beautiful shop. Look at that. So, who doesn't love an amazing guitar shop? We got tons of amps too. Tons of antique amps, used amps, new amps. So, you gotta come down to Empire Guitar.